Okay guys, so welcome back. For today's video we are going to be cutting open 3 different stones. This is an agate. I'm not sure the locality of where this is from. I picked this up at the Rock Club. They have a little rock yard for their members to pick and choose from periodically, and so I picked this one up last night after the special interest mineral group, and then I also picked this one up too. It was nighttime, so I couldn't really see what I was picking up. I just saw red on this one, and I think it's gonna look pretty spectacular cut open. And then there was also this nodule right here, has some nice colors to it, so we'll cut this one open as well, right down in that direction. And we're using the high-tech diamond 10-inch slab saw to cut this. So hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you all over here. And we're gonna check this out, as long as my tripod doesn't fall over. For the first time, I have no clue what to expect. It looks like there's a nice quartz center going on here, so let's check it out. Wow, that's got some nice color to it. I was not expecting that. Whoa, that is cool. Look at that. That is wicked. Holy cow. I love that deep green, and then just the variety of reds and oranges going back into the whites and then yellows. That's super cool. I think for half of this, we're going to cut down the center and then slab it, or maybe just start on this side and slab it this direction. So I'll show you what the slabs look like afterwards, after the video. I'm gonna cut the other two right now. Set that off to the side, grab the next one, cut this one. Okay, so for the first one, we're gonna see what this one looks like. No clue what to expect. Holy cow, look at that mossiness. Look at that. I think I like this one even more than the other one. Holy cow. That is wicked. That is cooler than wicked. Now the next one, we're gonna check this one out. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty cool. I like that, but not as much as that last one. So I'm gonna go ahead and slab the other one, and maybe this one a little bit more, and then I'll show you the slabs afterwards. And I'm not gonna peek, I promise. Okay, so this was the first half that we cut. It's quite beautiful, a lot of different colors going on around the points of the nodule, and then quartz in the center, and then some nice coloring. And then this side is the side I slabbed. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at this for the first time. Part of this part fell off, so the only thing I did see was this right here. But that is extremely beautiful, and should make some pretty beautiful cabochons. The next slice, just like that. That's cool looking. And that off. Next one. Flip the pages like a book cover, right? But a rock cover. Book of rocks. I don't know what to call it. That's pretty. I kind of like that snowy pattern that's going on there. Kind of like a misty tone. There's some nice color. Getting back into that part. Or actually, did I? I did do that. So I just realized. So the stone was like this. We cut it open this way, and instead of slabbing this direction, I slabbed the other direction. You go through the. Okay. And so that's what all these slabs look like. So that's contestant 1, which is very beautiful. Where's the hot water? And then contestant 2 was, this one kind of broke up as I was cutting it. So we first cut this one. It's really pretty. And then we took another slice. This. It's even more prettier. This one kind of got like an angle cut on it, so that part of it broke off. And then we got this cut, and this one is just as beautiful. And then there's that really tiny one, and that one fell off the back side of the saw, and I couldn't find it in my rock pile, so sorry I can't show that one. But let me know down in the comments which one, contestant 1 or contestant 2, which is this one, is your favorite. I think my favorite's going to be contestant 2, but pretty soon in the near future, sometime in January, hopefully, I'm planning to do a slab sale, so with all the material I'm cutting. Yeah, these are super cool, and hope you guys enjoy your week. Rock on, find some cool rocks, cut some cool rocks. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.